Everything you are looking at on my screen right now, the storefront, the product page, the advertorial, the ads on my ad account sitting ready to be launched was built by one AI model, and I didn't write a single line of code. The model is Fable 5. It's Anthropic newest release, and it's a different class of model. They call it Methods class. It's above Opus, above everything they have ever made it available to the public. Here's why timing matters. Right now, you see, Fable 5 included in your Claude plan, Pro plan, Max, Team, and Enterprise at no extra cost. But after the 23rd of June, it's gonna be tokenized, so you pay for it as you go. So you better catch it right now before it become a usage credit. And it's not cheap. It's double the price of Opus. $10 per million token and $50 per million token output. Double the price of Opus. In this video, we are going to see if it actually lives up to the hype. But instead of just showing you some of benchmark, I want to show you some of practical use. So I'm going to give it a big task. I'm going to give it a task to find me a product, build me a product page, build me the store, build me the product page, build me the landing page, advertorial, and create 3 ads ready to be launched on Meta. So let's just get it started. Yes, so here's our agent inside VS Code. If you're wondering why your Claude code look like you're coding, because I'm working on VS Code. This is like a text editor. If you want to set this up, you need to come to this website and download it to your machine, whether you are using Windows, Linux, or Mac. So download in your machine, and then after that, you need to download this library as well, node.js. So go to this URL and download both of them. After that, you come to VS Code, come to the extension part here. You need to search for Claude extension. Extension. So you have to pick the right one. This one from anthropic.com, because there are many other fake out there. So pick the right one and download this extension into your browser, into your VS Code, sorry, and then this Claude code will open with you. So you will see that little Claude icon there. When you click on it, this like a normal Claude desktop agent open with you. So we are going to use Fable 5 to find us a product, to build us the store, to build us the product page and the ads. So first we need to set up our connection. So we need to give it a supplier to find the product. In this case, I am using CJ Dropshipping, and then we are going to connect it to Shopify, and after that we are going to connect it to Meta to create our campaign directly on Meta. So we are not going to copy and paste anything at all. So how to do that? In order to connect it to Shopify, you might need to come to your Claude desktop or your Claude in chat, open the customize, and then open the connector, search for Shopify, but I'm already connected to my Shopify. I'm going to disconnect just to show you how to connect it. So I'm going to search for Shopify. Here we are. Click connect, and going to open a new tab in your browser to authenticate your connection. We're just going to wait a bit. So from here now you pick your store. I'm going to pick that store. I'm going to and just like that, our store is connected. So it's a success. So now what else? Now we need to connect Meta as well. But Meta don't have official MCP server. How are we gonna connect Meta? So we need to add custom connector. We're going to search for not search, because Facebook doesn't have official MCP. They have this link. You can paste this link here. Make sure it's mcpfacebook.com ads. Then add. This already exists. So I'm going to just click connect. It's going to authorize us again. So we're going to choose our. Make sure to pick the pages you want to connect. So in this case, I'm going to connect all the pages. Also choose your business asset. In this case, I'm going to give it access to all of this one. Then authorize. Now we connect Shopify and Meta ads. Now we want to connect like CJ Dropshipping to find us a product. So in order to connect CJ doesn't have like MCP server, so we need API. So if you log in into your CJ Dropshipping account, you come to app and then you create API. So I took this API, I'm going to copy it and paste it here in my local environment. So I'm not going to open this. I'm going to open the example one. Yes, here. So you have your CJ API keys. You're going to paste your keys here. Shopify MCP, we already connected. We don't need APIs. Meta API keys already connected with MCP, so we don't need APIs. and Grok or Nano Banana Gemini for images, you need as well to connect Grok. So you can find you can go to Grok and find your APIs. Or if you are using Nano Banana, you can go to Gemini and find your APIs. But let's just start actually finding the product and build the product page. So after we set up our connection, this is my current online store, my Shopify store. As you can see, is new store using the Horizon theme. There's no other theme here at all, and there's no product at this store. So I don't have any product. I'm only using the Shopify theme. There's no pages here. I actually have pages, but I'm going to delete all of these pages. So I'm going to ask the Fable 5 to find us a product, to build us a product page, and to build us the home page using this current Horizon theme, and also build us a listicle page. And also, this is my meta campaign, my meta ad. This is my meta ad account. So right now it's empty. There's no campaign, nothing at all here. I'm going to create a new campaign with 3 ads with the product that the agents choose for us. So let's just start. Ask the agent to find us the product, and then after that we're going to launch 3 of the parallel agent to build. One of them build the product page, one of them build ads, one of them build the home page. Now I want to ask Claude to build me the product page. Don't worry about all of these files. This is just my personal OS. So I have many projects here. As you can see, I have my YouTube, my website, my store demo. So I'm going to work in this store demo here right now. So let's just see. Hey Claude, I want to use the store demo, find us product, and then after that you're gonna fire 3 agents. One of them build product page, one of them build the home page, and the third build a meta campaign with 3 ads using Grok APIs. So find the product, use the CJ dropshipping API, build the product page with Shopify connection, and the home page with Shopify connection, and listicle page with Shopify connection, and also the meta campaign with meta connection and creative with Grok APIs. So as you can see, this is a simple prompt. The agent going to find the product, build the product page, build the home page, build the listicle page to send the traffic before landing in our product page, and build a meta campaign. Wow, that's gonna take you like 3 days to do. Let's see the most powerful agent, what it can do. Let's hit enter and see how it's work. So as you can see, the agent create to-do list. So the first going to find a product using the CJ dropshipping APIs, going to import the product into the store, going to create the theme, and then agent going to build the page. The second agent going to build the home page and listicle. The third agent is going to create a post meta campaign with 3 Grok generated ads. This is the power of Claude now. So our agent was hit the session limit, but I went back and forth telling him what to do. It did a lot of the task, and now I think all the task was completed. Let's just view the work and see. So the agent was hit the limit earlier, and I waited like 2 hours and then came back and asked it again to complete all the tasks, and it completed all the tasks, and now it hit another session limit. I'm not sure yet all the task was completed like we want. Oh, I don't know. Let's just view the work here first and then go to the Shopify to see all the work done in there. So this is the product. Where is the ad? So this is the meta ad campaign that the agent created. Let's go to the Shopify and see the product the agent was selected. What is this product? Glow sunset projection lamp. Wow, what is this? Let's preview in the store instead of on the browser. Oh, it's like an LED lamp or something. Yes, I don't like this product, but let's see the design. The objection is not about product. The homepage is good. This section I like this, but I don't like the image in the background. Just choose the image from the supplier and add it into our store. I don't like that. But this section is great. This one as well, great. The home page has 3 sections. Okay, let's see the product page, the most important one, than the home page. So the product page, we have our heading, and have copy, and then you have a lot of features, blah blah blah. Pricing. What is this? like guaranteed free, and then free UK delivery, 30-day money back guarantee, 30-day return, 30 days return. What's this section? TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. I don't like this section. It should be like scrolling images, right? Like as seen on. I could ask it to change that, but because we hit the session limit, I don't want to wait like for 4 hours. So let's just view what from the first shot and how it's look like. This section is good. Text with image, text with image, text with image. Icon feature grid. This one is good. I like this. Then you have another guarantee section. It's good as well. Add to cart. Why is like down here? When you click on this button, it's going to take you down there. Yeah, it's good. Not bad at all. Quantity. Okay, good, great. Another guarantee just below the add to cart button. Okay. Then we have like the review section. We need more reviews, and we need like images with the names. Another reviews, and then we have like comparison table and FAQ section. Alright, this product page is great. It needs a lot of changes, but from the first prompt, it's great. It's not bad. Well, what do we have? What else do we have? We have a listicle page. 5 reasons people are swapping to this product. Let's view it. So this is the listicle page. Oh, it seemed to. This is a home page. Oh, it makes the code the home page with the listicle. So this listicle page should start from here, So I shouldn't be able to see this. There was a glitch. Also, easy fix. Just remove that code. The listicle, I don't like this two advertorial and this Rapio journal. I don't like that. I like to start just with the heading, 5 reasons why, blah 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 blah, and then the advertorial, the editorial, sorry, and then you have the date and the minute time read. We start with image and then blah blah blah. Another subheading, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Then we have quote in the middle, the bottom line. Then we have a call to action here. Great. If we click on this, it's going to take us where? There's another error here. It should be taking us to the product page. Yes. And then we have like a reviews. Yes, another reviews. Well, the listicle page is great. The product page is kinda. But the listicle page is great. The only thing I could change is this. The link when I click should take me to the product page, not to 404 page. What else do we have? I think we have like meta. Let's look at the ad. So this is the ad, the first ad. It's like divided by angles. Our desires. It's angles. Okay. The first ad we have primary text, static image. Alright, that's good. Second one, good. All this was AI generated images, yeah? With one shot. Imagine if you could, imagine if you want to do this, like you take the prompt to Nano Banana Gemini, create your image, and come here, create the meta campaign, upload the image one by one, copy and paste. You go back and forth, right? But this one with one shot. So what do you think of this? Do you think it is like worth it or not? Because this one is so expensive. I hit the session limit twice. The first one, I waited 2 hours. The second one is now. And I don't want to like edit all of these sections, all of these errors. What do you think, guys? So these are the image was created here. These are the ad. This is the first ad. Yes, first create the image, then add the text overlay. Then we have the second image, then we have the third image. What do you think of these, guys? I think it's kind of modest, but because this task is kind of also big, so we have like 4 tasks in a one task. What do you think of it? Well, anyway, before you doom scroll or go to any other like video, if you're running an e-commerce business, if you're running e-commerce brand, you might need to check this out. So I've built a complete operating system that can manage e-commerce store from product research, sourcing the product, writing the copy, creative to paid ad, managing your socials. Also, the most important one is customer support. You know, the questions, where's my order question. Our agent is working 24/7, so it deployed to the web, never sleep. If that kind of question came to your inbox, it's going to reply to the customer, add the tracking number, and reply. If there's anything that more need human approval, it's going to escalate that message to you, and you are going to view the reply, the draft reply, and you approve it or not, you're going to send it. So that's my specialist agent I have built. So if you want this for your store, come to this website, get your free store audit, where you're probably leaking your money, maybe your email flows, etc. Fill this form, submit it, and yeah, shoot us a message, and we are happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and peace.